So in this video, I'm going to show you a little drone footage of the Sacramento River, and I'm going to tell you where's the best places you can catch striper in the middle of winter after the fall migration run, which is right now. Probably about a month or so until the striper run comes up the river and they start spawning. Probably towards the end of March, I would say. But here's some footage of the drone from the Sacramento River. Hope you guys like the drone footage. So the best bet is going to be San Joaquin River, or wait a month or so and something just splashed in the water. I don't know what the heck it was. It was a big splash. San Joaquin River is going to be much clearer in the winter times more than the Sacramento River, just because it's the main channel and it kind of swerves off there, and it's always dirtier in the winter time on the Sacramento River. So San Joaquin, you still got about around 8 inches of visibility. Sacramento River, about 1 inch visibility. And about a month or so, these striper are going to be coming up thick, boys. So just be ready, and I'll let you guys know a little bit more. I might actually go out to the San Joaquin, make a little video for you guys and see the water clarity. But here's the water clarity right here. I mean, it's nothing. It's so muddied up, guys. It's crazy. But what I didn't know is these guys right here, well, there's nothing in here. I guess because this thing floods so much, it floods so much they pull their machines out, so they don't got these big old machines with money floating down the river, I guess. Pretty smart. Alright guys, so I'm on the Sac River right now at Knight's Landing, and as you can see behind me, this whole place is flooded. They got the boat launch closed, so you can't even launch right now because the water's too high in the parking lot. Some smelly baits is going to be your best right now because the clarity is about 1 inch. If you guys want to get in clear waters, go up to the delta and look for the shallows, and also the San Joaquin River. San Joaquin River is always more clear in the wintertime than the Sacramento River. I think just because the main channel goes towards the Sac River, and kind of the San Joaquin is a little off. So I'll show you guys here on the maps where those areas are and where's good locations to fish for striper right now. But if you guys are waiting for that spring run, it's going to be a really good spring run this year. The stripers are going to be really thick because the water conditions are ideal for them to run up all the way up to the shallow rivers and spawn in the banks. I would probably predict March. Somewhere around March is going to be a really good start, hopefully. Just once this water starts warming up and clearing up and the rains stop, then we're going to start getting these spawning stripers coming in up the system. So I'll keep you guys posted and updated here on the river condition and if it clears up and what's going on. And if you guys are trying to just catch smallmouth or largemouth bass, I heard Lake Berryessa is doing really good right now. The water's not too muddied up there, so if you're trying to catch some bass, or even they got landlocked salmon there, they got quite a few species there. Crappie, Berryessa is a pretty good spot right now. If you're out fishing at night or anytime, even during the day, these mosquitoes are thick right now, you guys. So make sure you get a lot of mosquito spray on you, because these things are vicious. They're after your blood. So just info for you guys, if you're out there fishing, make sure you got that mosquito spray.